Good morning viewers, you are once again welcome to this presentation on Pippali. It is an important herb in Ayurveda. Here on the screen you can see the pictorial representation of Pippali along with its fruit and leaves. So, Pippali or long pepper is a very unique spice. It has all qualities of a typical spice like useful in indigestion, asthma, cough, etc. But it is also a very good aphrodisiac and anti-aging spice. Consider this Plihamae Pippali. For all kinds of spleen disorders, Pippali or long pepper fruit is called best among all medicines. Pippali is the term applied to the fruit of Piper longum. This plant is indigenous to northeastern and southern India and Ceylon and cultivated in eastern Bengal. The fruit is more useful and active when it is unripe. It is used after drying it under the sun or under sunshade. The root is also useful part and is called Pippali Mula in the classics. Now, let us see the Sanskrit synonyms of this plant. Pippali, because it takes care of the health of the patient and it nourishes, that is why it is called Pippali. Kana, fruit has granular appearance. Vaidahi, long peppers usually grown in Vidaha region, that is why it is called Vaidahi. Magadhi, it is found in Magadha region. Krishna, dry fruit is black in color, that is why it is called Krishna. Chapala, because of its hot nature. Tixna and Tixna Tandula are another synonyms of this drug because it is very strong and piercing in nature. Kola, its fruit weighs around 6 grams, which is equal to the amount of kola. 1 kola is 6 gram, that is why it is called kola or kola phala. Ushana, dry fruit is hot in potency and it relieves pain, that is why it is called Ushana. Upakulya, it is found near marsh places. Marsh means where there are rich in water. Sondi is a name given to this drug because it is the fruits are slightly bent like horns. Now, Samavaha, Krikara, Katuvija, Korangi, Syama and Dantaphala are some peculiar synonyms of this herb. Now, let us see the vernacular names of this drug. In Hindi, it is known as Pipala, people, peeper, pipli, and in English, it is called long pepper. In Kannada, it is called Hippali, Hipli, Hippalivalli, Kuna. In Telugu, it is called Pippalu, Pippali, Modi. Tamil name is called Tripli, Argadi, Atti, Kalidi, Kalini, Kama, Tippili, etc. In Bengali, it is called people, people and also people. Now, let us see the classical categorization of this drug. In Charaka, he has mentioned Pippali under Dipaniya Gana. The groups of herbs that improves our digestive strength are included under Dipaniya Mahakasai. It is also included under Kanthya Mahakasai, group of herbs that is good for throat disorders. Asthapanopaga, group of herbs useful in decoction enema or Asthapan Basti, that is why it is called Asthapanopaga. Shiro Virochanopaga, that means through nasal route it is given, seroviration is nothing but mixture. Group of herbs useful in expelling doses from the head and neck. Sita Prasamana Gana, group of herbs that suppresses cold and cough. It is also included under Sula Prasamana Mahakasai, group of herbs which are useful for pain, especially abdominal colics. Kasahara, group of herbs useful against cough, and Hikka Nigrahana, group of herbs that are helping to control hiccups. So, this is the categorical classification as per Charak Samhita. Now, let us see Rajanighantu and Susruta has told the Pippali under Ganas, like in Rajanighantu 4 types of Pippali has been mentioned. The first one is Pippali, Gaja Pippali, Simhali and Vana Pippali. So, after so many researches, it has been confirmed morphologically that Pippali of Rajanighantu is Piper longum, Gaja Pippali is Piper chaba, Simhali is Piper refractorum, then Vana Pippali is Piper sylvaticum or Piper pipiloides. So, these are 4 types of Pippali as per Rajanighantu. And Sushrut Samhita has mentioned Pippali under Pippaladi Gana, Urdha Bhagahara Gana or group of herbs useful in expelling imbalanced doses through oral and nasal route through Bamana and Naisha treatment. So, Urdha Bhagahara refers to Naisha and Bamana. Trayushana or Trikatu, it is one among the ingredient of Trayushana or Trikatu as per Sushrut Samhita. It is included under Amlakyadi Gana of drugs. It is also included under Sirovirechana or Naisha group of drugs, that group of herbs useful in Naisha treatment. And as per Ashtanga Samgraha, it is included under Pippalyadi Gana. Now, let us see the systemic classification. It belongs to kingdom plant, that is why plant kingdom. Subgroup Phanerogamy. The phylum is Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, division is Monoclamidae, order is Microrhambae, family is Piperaceae and genus is Piper. That is why the species name is Piper longum. Now, let us see the morphology of this drug. Piper longum is a slender climber, leaves are ovate, acute at apex, cordate and strongly oblique at the base. It is 7 nerved, membranous, it is shining, dark green above, pale and dull beneath. It is all about leaves. Male and female flowers are distinct, densely arranged in thickly cylindrical pubescent rachis. Fruit is long and fleshy, red in color when ripes and turns black when it is dried. Here it is the fruit of Pippali. Now, distribution of this plant is found in hotter parts of India from central Himalayas to Assam, Khasi and Mikir hills, also found in forest of western Ghats from Konkan to Kerala. The major chemical constituents of this drug are essential oil, mono and sesquiterpenes, caryophyllene mainly, which is a group of sesquiterpene, piperine, as you know, it is one among the most important chemical constituent, piper longumine, piper longuminin, piper nonylene and piper andecalidine, pipericide, sesamin, beta sitosterol and 4 aristolactams. What is aristolactams? Are group of drugs where we use beta lactams and all. Now, Cephalonon B and aristolactam, these type of drugs are available in Piper longum. Piperlactam and piperolactam A and B, these two are available, found abundantly in Piper longum fruit. Then 4,5-dioxo aporphins are also present in this fruit. Now, let us see the medicinal properties as per Ayurveda. Piper longum medicinal properties include the rasa or the taste of it is kadu or pungent. The guna are laghu and tikshna. It is light, strong and piercing. The vipak is madhura, which undergoes sweet taste conversion after digestion. The birya is usna or hot potency. Wet variety of this drug is having cold potency or sita birya. Effect on tridosa is balances vata and kapha dosas, but the wet variety increases kapha dosa. Now, in class 6, varieties of pippali have been mentioned. Sushruta and Bhagavad have mentioned two types, pippali as long pepper or Piper longum, and Gaja pippali, which is Piper chaba. But Rajanighantu, as I previously told, provides 4 varieties: pippali, Gaja pippali, Simhali pippali and Vana pippali. The third and fourth varieties are from Sri Lanka. As per Priyabat Sharmaji, Simhali pippali is from Sri Lanka and is Piper retrofactum Vahal. Vana pippali is found in Assam. It is also found in West Bengal, which is Piper sylvaticum or Piper pippuloides.